Good morning, my dear students. Class, we have completed. We have completed till this to add a background to the to the table. Now today we are going to learn the attribute of tr and td tag. Now these are the attributes. Some are used for tr and some are used for td. For example, this border color is for both TR and TD. BG color, that is background color, is both for TR and TD. We can add background to a particular table data also, and we can add to the complete row also, like this row. Complete row I want to add a background color. Then I can do, if I want background color for this only, supposing this is a table, then I am taking the, for this I am taking an example. I want to color the background of this only, then we will use TD only. Now height for both, alignment for both, V align. We know the alignment left, right and center, but there is one more type of alignment, top, middle and bottom also. So that also we can apply, that we call a V align. Full form is vertical alignment. Vertical alignment. Next is your row span and call span. Row span and call span is something like, suppose we are having a table and I want a single, this as a single column, completely as a single, and I want to divide like this, I want to divide like this. So for that I will use row span and call span. So that can only be applied to the table data only, that cannot be applied to a complete row, because suppose I want to merge these two, that is I want to apply on these two table data. So that we will do. Now class, there are some attributes used. Now let us see an example using various attributes of table tag in creating a web page. Now first of all, HTML head, title, head, you all know. Now background color is given as pink. This is just a message, historical monument in India. And now table is created with border and it is center align. Now after that, in first row it is applied that border color should be red and background color should be, BG color should be yellow. BG color means background color. Border color, you can make out that this is the border and this is the background of it. Now alignment is given as center, V align is given as top. Similarly for second also. Now you see the output, then you will analyze. First of all, this is black and white, so we cannot make out. This is the background color given as, let me see what background color is given. It is given as pink color. Now first row it is given background as BG color as, background color as yellow and red color. You apply in your computer, this is black and white, so we cannot make out, but you try this, you will get as it is. Now see this, V align is given at top, so it is not coming, and second one is given as middle, so that's why it is coming in middle. Second one given middle and first one given top, so that's the difference. You have to do it practically class, unless you will not be able to understand all these things. This is not a theoretical at all. In practical examination also we are going to give the same only. Now talking about this we have to create. I have made this program for you. So class, you can see that this is completely merged. You can see that these two are merged. You can see that these two are merged, and in this three are merged. So how we are going to do that? Starting the program from here, table border as 1, then I have given call span as 7. Why I have given this as 7? You can see that there are 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 7 table data is to be merged to form a this timetable. So I have given this 7. Now second row, 2, 2 and 3. Why? See, for English we need 2, for Hindi we need 2, and for science we need 3. Now after that I have given my third row as this: English 1, English 2, Hindi 1, Hindi 2, physics, chemistry, biology. So all 7, nothing is merged, so directly I have given as this: English 1, English 2, Hindi 1, Hindi 2, physics, chemistry and biology. That's all. TR is closed, table is closed. That's all. This center I have given for making a table at the center, but in mobile it is coming already in center. So in computer when you will see it will make the difference without writing a center and writing a center. Now next I have made same, but all are in middle. You can see that this is coming in middle, this is coming in middle, this is coming in middle, and this is coming in middle, means center align. So everywhere I have written center align, center align, center align, center align, center align. Same program, only the difference is I have used another attribute as alignment. So that's all class. This is complete. Now I will now you have to do this in computer and send me this work. Now this is another question for you. Try and analyze how many rows are there, how many columns are there, which are row spanned, call span or row span. Now see this. In columns nothing is, only this one is spanned, only this one. But in row, this one is also row span, and this is also. This is a column span. 2 columns are merged. In this 2 rows are merged. So row span. Now see how we are going to do. See, in first line nothing is merged, so directly they have written TD, TD, TD and TD. 4 columns are there. Next one is merged. You have just now you have seen, and Rashmi Goel, this is also merged. You can see that one is merged and Rashmi Goel is merged. So this is done. Phone number and another number is given. In second, now in second, this is the this is the second row, this is the third row. Now see the third row. In third row, this is already filled, this is already filled, this we have to fill. So 2 TD we will make, and in 2 TD we will write the same. Last one, this is not merged, so directly we will write TD for this, TD for this, TD, but with the call span. 2 columns are spanned together. You see this video again and again, you will be able to understand. See that 2 is not spanned, Shaurya Bansal is not spanned, but this number is spanned, so call span it is. These are row span. Row span means I want to merge in this way, this 2 I want to merge. Call span means if these are 2, this I have to merge. So that's all class. I have completed my talk of tables. So table is completed. Next topic is here linking. that we are going to do in our next class. Before that, we have to do some more questions on this. Till here you complete. On Tuesday we will start this linking part. That's all, class.